Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel and activate the bell to receive all new updates from Make Money. Digistore24 is a popular affiliate marketing platform that allows individuals to promote and sell digital products. While affiliate marketing can be a lucrative endeavor, it's essential for affiliates to set realistic expectations to maximize their chances of success. This article aims to provide guidance on setting realistic expectations for Digistore24 affiliates and help them achieve their goals. Understand the affiliate marketing landscape. Before diving into affiliate marketing, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the industry. Research different affiliate programs, learn about successful marketing strategies, and familiarize yourself with the target audience and the products you wish to promote. Realistic expectations begin with a well-informed foundation. Evaluate your skills and resources. Take stock of your existing skills, experience, and available resources. Consider your marketing expertise, knowledge of online advertising platforms, and ability to create compelling content. Realistically, assess the time and effort you can dedicate to affiliate marketing. Understanding your starting point will help you set attainable goals. Set achievable income targets. While affiliate marketing has the potential to generate substantial income, it's important to set achievable income targets. Avoid falling for exaggerated claims of overnight success or unrealistic earnings. Instead, set gradual income goals based on your niche, marketing efforts, and the products you promote. Start with modest targets and adjust them as you gain experience and expertise. Plan and execute a marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your Digistore24 products effectively. This strategy may include content marketing, social media promotion, email marketing, paid advertising, or a combination of these approaches. Set realistic expectations for the results of your marketing efforts and track your progress regularly. Be prepared for challenges and learning opportunities. Affiliate marketing can be challenging, especially in the beginning. Anticipate obstacles such as fierce competition, evolving market trends, and the need for continuous learning. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Realistic expectations include understanding that success may require time, effort, and perseverance. Nurture relationships with product creators. Building strong relationships with product creators can enhance your success as a Digistore24 affiliate. Engage with the product creators, provide feedback, and collaborate on promotional strategies. Realistic expectations involve recognizing that developing these relationships takes time and effort, but they can lead to long-term benefits. Measure and adjust your efforts. Regularly assess the performance of your marketing campaigns and adjust your strategies accordingly. Analyze metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and sales data to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Set realistic expectations for incremental growth and use data-driven insights to refine your approach. Setting realistic expectations is crucial for Digistore24 affiliates to navigate the affiliate marketing landscape effectively. By understanding the industry, evaluating their skills and resources, and setting achievable income targets, affiliates can develop a solid foundation for success. Remember to plan and execute a comprehensive marketing strategy, be prepared for challenges, and nurture relationships with product creators. Ultimately, with perseverance, continuous learning, and realistic expectations, Digistore24 affiliates can maximize their potential for success. Certainly, here are a few additional points to consider when setting realistic expectations for Digistore24 affiliates. Build a consistent online presence. Creating a consistent online presence is essential for long-term success as a Digistore24 affiliate. This includes maintaining an active website or blog, engaging with your audience on social media platforms, and consistently producing high-quality content. Realistic expectations involve understanding that building an online presence takes time and consistent effort. Focus on targeted traffic. Rather than aiming for a large volume of generic traffic, focus on driving targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Targeted traffic consists of individuals who are genuinely interested in the products you promote. This can be achieved through effective keyword research, search engine optimization, SEO, and targeted advertising campaigns. Realistic expectations involve recognizing that quality traffic is more valuable than sheer quantity. Embrace continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and successful affiliates adapt to these changes by embracing continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest trends, strategies, and tools in affiliate marketing. Attend webinars, conferences, and workshops related to digital marketing to expand your knowledge and skills. Realistic expectations involve understanding that staying ahead requires ongoing education and adaptation. Diversify your promotional channels. While Digistore24 can be a valuable platform for affiliate marketing, it's wise to diversify your promotional channels. Explore other affiliate networks, consider promoting physical products, or create your own digital products. By diversifying your income streams, you reduce the risk of relying solely on one platform or product. Realistic expectations involve recognizing the importance of diversification for long-term sustainability. Seek support and guidance. Affiliate marketing can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. Seek support and guidance from experienced affiliates or join communities and forums where you can learn from others in the industry. Realistic expectations involve understanding that seeking help and learning from experienced affiliates can accelerate your growth and increase your chances of success. Patience and persistence. Affiliate marketing success rarely happens overnight. Realistic expectations involve recognizing that building a profitable affiliate business takes time, patience, and persistence. Stay committed to your goals, consistently work on improving your strategies, and be prepared to adapt and learn from setbacks. Remember that every successful affiliate started from scratch and faced challenges along the way. By setting realistic expectations, focusing on continuous improvement, and staying committed to your goals, you can increase your chances of achieving success as a Digistore24 affiliate. Remember that your journey will be unique, and your results will depend on your efforts, strategies, and the value you provide to your audience.